want to start talking about how how we work for this upkewa. So this was the upkewa with English and music FF1. We had to analyze three Protestant and political song from the 60s in the USA. I was in group with Alexander, Johanna, and Johannes. It was a very good group. They helped me a lot, and I think this is important to say. So we had a part of the Gewa was focused on a music analyzation. So considering the tones, the notes, all the things that I don't know because I never studied before. So I focused on the English part, and the three songs were "A Heart Is Gonna Fall" and "Blowing in the Wind" from Bob Dylan, and "Eve of Destruction" for Barry McGuire. So the song that I analyzed was "Eve of Destruction." I started doing analyze the total song. So writing the general thing when the song was wrote, and who wrote that, and the general topic. And after I focus more on the verse, like on the things that happened in that period. So and the rhythm and the rhymes, all the things. Yeah. So how I did this, I started searching on internet and reading things, and I searched to the translation, the Italian translation of the song for understand it 100%. And yes, so first I wrote that the document was supposed to be in Danish, but I'm not that good at Danish at first. So first I wrote that in English, and after I did my best for translated in Danish. I did that. I translated all of my analysis in Danish, but it wasn't perfect. Obviously. So Johanne correct. Yeah. Thank you, Johanne. Our work, and I helped Alexander to write a conclusion, so we wrote the conclusion together too. And yeah, that's my work. Our document is divided in 8 parts. The first is the summary, where you can understand the general thing. Yeah, general things. And we have the music analyzation and the English analyzation, the discussion, the conclusion, and the links that are referred to the songs. So yeah, that's our documents and our work and how I worked. It wasn't at the beginning. I thought that okay, I will never do that because I can't. But after the guys who were in group with me helped me a lot. They said what I could do, and I did it, and I'm very happy. Yeah, because I feel I helped with something. So yeah, I did my best, and I hope that was enough. But yeah. So after it was easier. when I started, everything was easier. It was difficult to translate everything in Danish, and it took me a lot of time. But the other guys did two things: the music one and the English one. So yeah, we do it the same time. And so I hope that I did well, and that's it.